business, we don't think of ourselves as writers, yet we write the whole day. We're constantly writing emails, reports, memos, instant messages, meeting minutes. Effective business writing is a necessary skill to be successful and maintain professional credibility. When inaccuracy, error, inconsistency, and jargon pepper an email, letter, or online communication, you put your credibility on the line. This workshop is especially suited to professionals keen to learn effective business writing methods, to present written information in an organized, focused, and structured manner, to express ideas clearly, persuasively, confidently, and logically, to display sensitivity to varying levels of reader experience. The key competencies addressed include attention to communication, written communication, and persuasive communication.